Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to launch our app gallery. Here in the search enter Firefox. And sadly it's not available on app gallery and we need to download it from third-party website. So click on Get. And here in the GitHub we'll need to scroll down and pick this specific version. Select download. Now it should begin the downloading process. You can see it right here. When it's ready, click on it, allow, and then it will install. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can begin the setup. You can choose a different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.